Welcome to our YouTube video on how to react to stories with emojis in Telegram. Expressing your emotions and engaging with stories is a fun way to interact with others. In this full guide, we'll show you how to react to stories using emojis. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. You can find it in your app drawer or on your home screen. Step 2. Once you're in the app, drag down your chat screen to enlarge the Stories section. Now, tap on a story to open it. Step 3. Tap and hold the heart icon at the bottom right of the screen. By doing this, a selection of emojis will appear. If you want more emojis, you can click the drop-down icon to access a wider range. Step 4. Choose the emoji you want to use as a reaction. Simply tap on the desired emoji, and the reaction will be sent. It's that easy. By following these steps, you can react to stories in Telegram using emojis and add a touch of personal expression to your interactions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.